This is a n8n self-hosting for Railway. So go to the site, we'll go to sign in and continue with GitHub, and you're going to need a GitHub account for Railway. I already have an account, so it automatically signs me in. For Railway, they have a free trial where you get $5 for 30 days, and these are the specs. They have a $5 and $20 plan. And the cool thing about the plans is you pay per usage. So you're paying for the $5 and $20, and that's how much you get in credits. After that, you can buy more credits, and then you're charged per credit usage. Okay, we're going to hit new, and we're going to type in n8n to find a n8n template. And we're going to look for the one that has, at the time of the recording, 52K uses. And this is the n8n with workers. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to hit deploy. And this will take about 5 minutes, and you just have to wait until it's deployed. Okay, we have the deployment ready. Just a quick explanation. This is the primary n8n server that you're going to be working off of. And then the worker is basically going to be doing all the heavy lifting, but it's in a separate instance. So then when you are editing on the primary, it doesn't lag a lot. And then this is a database that we can use. And then this is a key value storage that runs really quickly, but we don't really have to use this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is click on primary. We can go to the link right now, or we can set up a custom URL, which is what we're going to do, or custom domain. So I bought a domain called n8n.com. We're going to add the domain, and then we're going to copy and paste this value. And then you're going to go to the site that you bought a domain. I got mine on Cloudflare. Cloudflare, I think, has the cheapest prices. And then we're going to go over here, add record. And this is going to be a CNAME record. And then since it's at the root file, then we just say @ and then we paste in the value we were given. Railway will take care of the SSL, so we don't need a proxy. And then we hit save. And this will take another 5 minutes to update about. It's taking a while to update, so we're just going to go with the provided link and fill in your information. And then hit next, and then fill out the customized n8n. Okay, perfect. Hit get started. You can get these free features if you want. I'm just going to skip it and then start from scratch.